To be honest, Samsung hasn't been that innovative with its foldable phones lately, and the updates have been sluggish to come. Next year, though, that could finally change. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is scheduled for delivery in 2025, will undergo a major redesign that includes an enhanced under-display camera and a sturdier screen composed of advanced layered materials. This sounds promising right now. Samsung's under-display camera technology has proved problematic, which is the problem. It has been challenging to maintain cost control and operate as intended. A UDC is still anticipated to be a component of the Fold 7, but according to speculations, Samsung is already considering different solutions for next generations. It seems like Samsung and Apple may finally be able to see eye to eye. According to reports, both firms are putting the under-display camera concept on hold. If the rumors are true, we might not see a UDC in the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or later. Additionally, the Galaxy confirmed that the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 would both ship with a single user interface (UI) right out of the box, in case you missed it. Fans are hoping that this new version will be better than the lackluster reception to One UI 7. Samsung is also not wasting any time. One UI 8 aligns well with Android 16, which Google intends to deploy after some beta testing in June. Returning to the Fold 7, there are reports that it could extend somewhat in size, with the cover display perhaps rising to 6.5 inches and the main screen possibly reaching a full 8 inches. Although this isn't a significant adjustment, every inch matters because the Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch primary display and a 6.3-inch outer display. And now for something exciting, camera fans may be in for a treat. Rumor has it that the main camera on the Fold 7 will have a potent 200 megapixels, which would be a huge improvement over the existing 50 megapixel sensor and might revolutionize mobile photography. A faster Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor and a stronger IP certification for even better water and dust protection are expected under the hood. We're looking at even more robust protection this time around because the Fold 6 has an IP48 rating. Also being discussed are a slimmer design, possibly as thin as 4.5mm when unfolded, and a smoother, cleaner fold with less of that annoying wrinkle in the center. A bigger vapor chamber might help power users stay cool during prolonged gaming or multitasking periods, improving thermal management and leading in smoother performance over time. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.